everybody, welcome back to my channel. Jen here, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the ring light. So the box came like this, and it's quite big. If you can see my size in the box. The good thing about it that it got delivered to my home. I did not pay any customs whatsoever, and that is awesome. I got this from Aliexpress, and I will just put out the details here or in the description box. It cost me quite a few dollars, but I really wanted a ring light, so here it is. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Hi, you're watching from the top. So I'm gonna put it this way so you guys can really see the package and whatnot. Alright guys, so this is the ring light. It came by Virgin, so it came by airmail to Fiji, and let's open it up. It looks, if you can see the box, it does look like bent and everything, so you can see the box, how it came. I hope everything is okay inside. Alright, so let's see. Alright, okay. So this is how it comes, and I'm just going to slide it out. Okay, so here is the case. Put it like that, and a tripod. So that's inside the box. It's the tripod. My bad. So this is the tripod. It looks like it's sturdy and it's quite a good quality. So you just loosen this area here and you pull it this way. So there you go. So that is the tripod. I'm gonna now flip you up and I'll show you the stuff. Okay, so yeah, the tripod is up. Very good quality, I would say. And here is the ring light. It's covered in plastic. And let's just open it up. Oh, what are these things called? Preservatives or something like that. Let's just put that aside. And here is the ring light. I hope everything is okay. It comes in a case like this. Okay, I hope nothing is broken. So it didn't come foamed or anything. We have instructions. It's in English and Chinese. We have a case here. I don't know what's inside that. We have the ring light here. Okay. I hope nothing is broken. Okay, that's the ring light there. And here's the other piece. Okay, inside this pouch, you get a phone holder. You get the piece here. You get the camera. Oh, I don't think it's gonna hold my camera, but let's just kind of see. Okay. Why is that too slight? Oh, so that's confusing. Okay, they gave me, I think one is an AU and one is a US adapter. So basically they gave me both. So one is like that and one is like this. So this one I don't need a wide adapter, if you can see. And then one is like this. So that's convenient, thanks. So yeah, let's set it up and I will put you right up. This is the ring light. This is an 18-inch ring light. Tightening this thing actually. And after that, on this knob, I would suspect you put in the ring light. So this was placed in like that, so we're going to unscrew this so to straighten that, and then just tighten that again. I hope that makes sense. And then you have a knob here at the end to put it on the ring light. Put the ring light on the tripod. So there's a knob here. I don't know, like, what's this thing? I took out that screw thingy above and see what happens when I put it. Okay, make sure you remove that thing, because that was really not making it sit well. Now there was a screw thingy. It looks like this. Now it's not shaking. So if you guys can see, there's two knobs. So this is the power on and off, and here you have the color temperature. It's pretty long though. It's gonna be really long. You don't need an extension cord because look at the amount of wires they have. I know I'm not in screen, but that's okay because the ring light is the star of the show. So attach that there. Then I'm going to just loosen it all up so that it doesn't carry weight onto the ring light. Look how long that is. Attached it to this thingy above. And this go to the electric switch. So I'm going to do the knob. Holy shit! Look how bright that is. Can you see that? I'm shooting in daylight, by the way. There's no other lights in the room. Okay, so that's like bright, and I'm gonna change the color. You can see it goes white, then it goes into this sort of yellowy sort of color. I don't know if that white, and then this is more like yellowy, so that's pretty neat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the ring light to the camera now. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Because my camera is on a tripod already, so I'm not going to switch it up just for the sake of the video. But what I'm going to do is I want you guys to see the difference. Okay? Oh. So you guys are in the middle. Okay. So can you see how bright it is? And this is like not even fully lit. Like, that's so cool. That's so cool. I love it. Okay. I know this is gonna be a very bad video, but let's just test it out. So I'm going to off it. So this is what it looks like without a ring light. And then now we're going to, this is the dimmest, I would say, and this is the brightest. Holy moly, that's bright as. But can you see if I'm far away? It's pretty cool. Whew. Okay, that's really bright. but my camera is adjusting. It's on autos. Okay, so this is the yellow. Like, there's the other switch where you can put it to yellow. I mean, you can adjust the color. So this is the yellow one. It makes me look more tan. And then let's put it all the way. And this is really white. Can you see how white I am? So if you want it to be yellow, then you can have a fake tan. Have like this cinematic kind of feel. So yeah, that's the video. Holy shit! I like my eyeballs. So this is the whitest if you really like it white. But this is so cool. Sorry guys, I forgot to slot this in, but I wanted to show you the accessories. So this is the horseshoe that attach here, and this is it comes with a camera holder as well. But I don't know whether my camera will be able to, I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know whether this thing would be able to hold my camera. Like, look at me. I love it. I love it. That's so cool. So I'm really sweating because this light is not admitting hot air, just really hot in this room, but it's pretty cool. I like it. If you like this sort of videos, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys like the review and saw how it really made a change in the video's quality. And it's gonna be a long video, so give this thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope you watch my upcoming videos because it's gonna be really nice with the ring light. So, no, I'm just kidding, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna leave a link down where I bought this from and everything like that, and thumbs up to you, Stella. Okay, bye bye.